Hello, welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, we are going to be learning the mirror feature. So, like I said, I'm just trying to teach you all the feature while we're actually building something so that way you learn as you go. And please feel free to let me know if you actually like this method of teaching, because this class I can always upload more examples for you. So please feel free to let me know if you like this method, or if you would like me to go into details about a specific topic or feature. So, and also make sure you are saving your work as we go. So anyway, let's get into it. So now we should have something like this. So the next thing we need to do is we want to mirror this feature to this side, so the same thing is on this side. So to do it, we need, anytime you want to mirror, you need a plane to mirror about. Remember when we did the sketch, you need a center line to mirror about. When you are mirroring feature, you need a plane. So the plane is just like your center line. So since this part is on this side and we're trying to mirror it to this side, so we're gonna find the plane. In this case, that will be our right plane that we're going to be mirroring about. So we would select the mirror, and it's asking what plane. We select the right plane, and the features to mirror, we'll select that, and there you go. And on the mirror, let's just edit that mirror. So I'll right click on that mirror, click edit. Another type of mirror is you have faces, so which means you can click on the face, or in some cases you will have the body where you can click on a body. And that is pretty much how the mirror works. You pick your plane and pick the feature you want to mirror. You can either pick it from here or you can pick it from here under this drop down menu. Thank you, and let me close it so you see what it looks like. So we have our mirror, and make sure you save your work. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.